Bathroom accessories are an essential part of any bathroom design and can make a big impact on the overall look and feel of the space. Whether you're renovating your bathroom or just looking to update a few key pieces, choosing the right bathroom accessories is an important step in creating a functional and stylish bathroom. In this article, we'll explore some tips on how to choose bathroom accessories that will complement your bathroom design and meet your needs. Consider your bathroom style and theme. When choosing bathroom accessories, it's important to consider the overall style and theme of your bathroom. If your bathroom has a modern and minimalist aesthetic, then sleek and simple bathroom accessories such as a clear glass shower door or a stainless steel towel rack may be a good choice. On the other hand, if your bathroom has a more traditional or ornate style, then more decorative accessories like a crystal chandelier or a clawfoot tub may be a better fit. Think about the function of the bathroom. Another important consideration when choosing bathroom accessories is the function of the bathroom. If you have a large family or frequently entertain guests, then you may want to choose bathroom accessories that are designed to accommodate multiple people. For example, a double vanity or a large walk-in shower may be a good choice. On the other hand, if you have a small bathroom or only use it for personal grooming, then a smaller, more compact bathroom accessory like a single vanity or a corner shower may be a better fit. Consider your budget. When choosing bathroom accessories, it's important to consider your budget. Some bathroom accessories can be quite expensive, so it's important to set a budget and stick to it. You can still find high-quality bathroom accessories that are affordable. For example, you can purchase a basic towel rack or a simple soap dispenser for a relatively low cost. Think about the size of the bathroom. Another important consideration when choosing bathroom accessories is the size of the bathroom. If you have a small bathroom, then you'll need to choose bathroom accessories that are proportionate to the size of the space. For example, a small bathroom may not be able to accommodate a large freestanding tub, but a compact corner tub may be a good choice. On the other hand, if you have a large bathroom, then you may be able to choose larger, more elaborate bathroom accessories like a double vanity or a walk-in shower. Choose accessories that are easy to clean and maintain. Bathroom accessories can be a breeding ground for germs and bacteria if not cleaned properly. Therefore, when choosing bathroom accessories, it's important to choose items that are easy to clean and maintain. For example, a glass shower door is easy to clean and can be wiped down with a squeegee after each use. On the other hand, a clawfoot tub may be more difficult to clean and maintain. Don't forget the details. When choosing bathroom accessories, it's important to not forget the details. For example, a simple soap dispenser and a toothbrush holder can add a touch of elegance and style to a bathroom. On the other hand, a basic towel rack may be functional but not very stylish. The little details can make a big difference in the overall look and feel of your bathroom. In conclusion, choosing bathroom accessories is an important step in creating a functional and stylish bathroom. By considering the overall style and theme of your bathroom, the function of the bathroom, your budget, the size of the bathroom, and accessories that are easy to clean and maintain, you can choose bathroom accessories that will complement your bathroom design and meet your needs.